Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Tinker Lab. It is all about painting with natural materials. So we are going to make paint out of flowers and spices that you might have in your kitchen. Let's get started. First, let's go outside and pick flowers. Time to sort the flowers. Put them into different piles based on the color. Sorting is a great early math skill to get ready for school. Now is the fun part. You get to take all the petals off of the flower. Pull off as much of the green part as you can and examine the petals too. Add some hot water, then let the petals steep. It's also fun to use your hands to crunch up the flower petals so you can release the natural colors, or use a spoon. Just make sure if you're going to use your hand, you wait until the water cools. Now it's time to strain the petals. Pour it through a small strainer, or just squish it with your hands and remove all the damp petals. Repeat with more colors. After you let the flower petals steep and you've strained them, if you want to add about a tablespoon of vinegar, that helps set the colors too. Now it's time to grab your paintbrush and some plain paper, dip into your natural paints, and make art. You'll see that over time the colors fade from purples and reds to blues. Now let's get out some kitchen spices, turmeric, paprika, and cinnamon. Stir it with a little water and you're ready to paint. One last thing you can try is drawing directly on the paper with the flowers that you picked, like this dandelion, or with leaves. Just crunch them up a little so that the natural colors come out on the paper. You can try leaves to make the stems of flowers on your page, or you can try other flowers and draw directly on top of your painting. I hope you had a good time. Remember that Tinker Lab is all about process art and learning through exploration and play. So when we're talking about process art, don't worry about the product and what it looks like. Just have fun exploring the textures, the smells, have fun rubbing the colors into the paper, and use your senses and learn some new words while you talk about what you're creating. Thanks so much.